Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring admin access and checking whether File Vault is already enabled. This is critical because the unlocking flow depends on it. Once done, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and inspect File Vault state to see if disks are encrypted. Make sure you have either your Apple ID credentials or the 24-character recovery key available. You'll need it to decrypt. Store that key offline. Now, start the unlocking process from recovery or the login screen, depending on your scenario. Next, decide whether to unlock from the login screen or via Mac OS recovery. If you can log in, enter your account password and File Vault will decrypt in the background. This is the simplest path. Otherwise, reboot and hold Command+R to enter recovery, open Terminal or Disk Utility, and run Discutal Apps Unlock Volume with the correct identifier. You'll be prompted for the account password, Apple ID, or the recovery key. Provide it accurately, then monitor the decryption progress until the volume mounts. Finally, once the volume unlocks, verify it mounts and run First Aid and Disk Utility to repair any leftover issues. This prevents future access problems. If the password or recovery key fails, make sure Caps Lock is off, try an alternate admin account, or attempt Apple ID recovery. Those steps can recover access. Make a fresh backup immediately and consider generating a new recovery key while you're signed in. If problems persist, note the exact error and consult Apple support with details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.